So one of the other issues that I forgot to potentially mention would be any obstacles or hurdles that I would have to overcome in trying to do this, and probably the largest would be zoning, however, and community support. However, I don't really foresee those as being huge issues because, at least as far as I can tell, I don't see how the community could be against a project such as this, a redevelopment, of what you might call it. I mean, this is not pleasing to the eye, the horns are not pleasing to the ears, the tailpipe emissions are not pleasing to the nostrils. On the whole, the College Park Shopping Center is not appealing or pleasing whatsoever. A fountain and green space and walkability and bikes and human interaction, that's all pleasing. That's something that the community could get behind. That's something that they would all enjoy, and I can only imagine with 110% support. And with all of that community support, I can only imagine that any zoning and or ordinance changes that would be necessary would be immediately approved. Granted, the only other zoning issue that might be a tad tricky would be the mixed-use zoning for the apartments on top of the complex. However, even then, I don't think it could be that difficult. Especially considering there are a large number of grad students and faculty and adjunct faculty that live and work in College Park, and the housing above this would be very helpful to them. One of the other issues that I forgot to mention for the independent institutions, the independent eateries and the microbreweries, liquor licenses might be a little bit of an issue. However, there are 3 bars right behind me, Turfs, Bent's, and Seastone, so I really don't see that being an issue. Final issue would just be general landscape and drainage and things of that nature. As you can see, the parking lot kind of slopes down and then it kind of builds itself back up on the other side, so it kind of forms into a V. That might be a tad tricky when it rains, especially if we're doing flower beds based off circles, so everything would be like that. However, there are a couple solutions. First of all, make the flower beds really large. If we did that, then the nature would kind of drain itself, take care of things of that nature. If we wanted, we could just run it into a main pipe beneath the entire plaza and just run it off into the main sewer systems or something of that nature if it's liquid processed. Or instead of having the gravel paths, the Vulcan Materials Company makes a mixture between gravel and concrete that actually acts as a drainage substitute, and it will actually filter and drain the water as it goes through, so that way it doesn't run off. And I think that would be an excellent solution. So those are really the 3 large problems, the big 3, so to speak, problems that I can foresee, and even then I really don't think they're problems because all 3 of them have really easy solutions. So here ends this segment.